Spotty Dotty Show.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will be painting the portrait of the grand prize winner's pet. It's a dog, and his name is Simba. I hope you enjoy it. Now let's get started. I'm going to look at the head, and as I look at the head, I want to see the shape. Just simplify the shape. Is it a circle, a square, a triangle? So I see over here a circle right in the middle. And then for the face, I see, for the mouth here, I see a triangle. And I see a little rectangle for the mouth. And then for the eye, I see kind of like a triangle too. And then a little triangle here for the ear. Then I'm just gonna go down. And all right, this is kind of like the dog. I'm just simplifying the shapes. Now I'm going to just go around and start really curving it, make it look like him. Okay? So I just did a circle, a triangle. And a little nose here. And then for the ears. Just adding detail now inside those big shapes that I created. You can erase the other, the other shapes that you created before, but you can leave it there too. And then he did here his collar. Wet my big brush, and I'm going to start with the background. I want to do blue because I like blue. I think Simba will like it too. So I'm just going to outline. I'm not going to go on top of my pencil. I'm going to try to outline it. See? Just outlining my drawing. I hope you're having fun. I hope you enjoyed watching my process of painting this dog. I hope the winner will enjoy the portrait of his dog. And I hope you got inspired watching me paint. Stay tuned for more to come, videos, challenges, and contests. Meanwhile, stay creative! Did you enjoy this video? Remember to like and subscribe to the Spotty Dotty Show.